Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you gaming PC for £750. First of all, the motherboard is gonna be an Asus P8C77i Deluxe. This is all you need. This is the best motherboard for gaming. For if you want to build a mini game PC, this is the best. Has everything. Has dual channel, DDR3, 4 USB 3.0, 6 USB 2.0, 2 SATA ports, and everything you need. Then for the power supply is gonna be a Corsair build series CX60 watt. It's perfect for your build. It's gonna power up everything in your build. Graphics card, and it's gonna be power up for the if you're gonna do any overclocking. After if you're gonna have a cooler master Hyper 2012 Evo, it's perfect for the process I'm gonna show you after. It's a good cooler for a cheap price. Then for RAM, you're gonna use a G.Skill 8GB, DDR3, very cheap, up to 600 megabytes per second, so it's very good. Then it's optional, remember, I just added because I'm gonna choose this on my build. Max wireless adapter, USB wireless adapter, very cheap for 10 quid, 150 megabytes per second, not bad. Then for the graphics card, you're using Asus AMD Radeon HD 750, 2GB GDDR5. It's a good graphics card. You can overclock it. It's gonna give you max performance. Like if you play like Battlefield, you can play at ultra overclocked as well. You're gonna get around 55 frames per second. Very good for a graphics card for this low price. Then for storage, I'm using OCZ 2.5 inch 120 gigabytes. It's very good SSD, cheap for its price, 120 gigabytes, not bad. Then for CPU, I'm gonna use Intel Core 3rd generation Core i5-3570K CPU. This is a K series. It means like it can be overclocked, so you can overclock this up to like 4.2, 4.9. It's your choice. But if you want to spend a little bit less, you can buy an Intel Core i5 25,000K, sorry. You can overclock that as well, up to your choice. Then cases, I'm gonna use a Bitfinex Protege. This varies from the color you want, because I'm gonna choose a red color, so I'm gonna pay £70, 90 pence. But if you want white or black, you can pay £69.50. It's your choice. Then the total is £730.3. So thanks for watching. Check you later. Peace.